Here, Naeem from Glasgow. He is a buyer in a department store. Many miracles have been shown which seem to be against the laws of nature. Do the laws of nature change? And can we divide these laws into physical and spiritual laws of nature?
As far as the first part of the question goes, there is no miracle against the laws of nature. The miracle is only against the then known of laws of nature. I can give you many examples of this. When the science progresses, but there is an age in science when a certain area is not understood by the scientists. So if God controls the laws of nature to produce a natural thing, it will be amazing for the people of that age, because until then that natural law has not been fully understood. Now I can give you a simple example, very simple. You know, magnetic force. If somebody bears a helmet, strong helmet, and a very strong magnet is fixed in the ceiling, if it is strong enough, the man along with his helmet can be lifted. Now when people did not understand this law, and someone, suppose, stood underneath wearing a helmet underneath a magnet, he would be lifted and people would say, here is a miracle, here is a miracle. While it is just a natural thing. It's not a miracle at all. It only becomes miracle when, to prove the authenticity of a prophet, Allah employs these laws of nature which the Prophet himself does not know and does not know how to employ them. When he employs them to his advantage, for that period, that becomes a miracle. Thank you.